Stampin' friends, welcome to the Joy Stamp with Rachel. I'm Rachel Coon and today is Fun Fold Friday. Today I'll be using the Friendship Royalty stamp set paired with this amazing designer series paper. We'll be making a DSP Fun Fold where the front is also inside, and you can see that we have a little DSP for our card base that covers both the front and the inside. I just love both of these together, and I love this stamp set. This Friendship Royalty is one of my favorites. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to get it because of the tiaras and the birthday queen. And because of my nickname as a child, my dad was Princess. So this was a perfect stamp set for me. If you are watching on YouTube, please go ahead and visit my online store and use the hostess code for September, and I will send you some extra happy mail. You'll see this code also down below in the descriptions below. If you're watching this on Facebook, please leave me a comment as well between now and midnight, because one lucky person will get this card that we make in the video today sent to them. So comment away. I love hearing from my stamping friends. All right, let me tell you a little bit what inspired this card though, real quick. Last week I was at Backstage in Las Vegas where I got to meet lots of people internationally, and I swapped with one friend in particular who made this beautiful fun fold. So you'll look at it and you'll see that the sizes are a little different. She has European sizes, so her card is a slightly taller and skinnier than mine, but it has the same layout as hers does. Her name is, I've been practicing because she's from Germany, here's her business card, so I'll show you that side. Let me make sure I say it right. Himine. I probably totally got it wrong again, so I apologize. She is fantastic, and she's part of that blog hop group that I'm a part of as well, and we got to do a fun swap there. So this was her card. You'll see she has her cute little bird's eye view stamp set that she used, and then the inside she has some more stamping, and then you see her beautiful designer series paper there. All right, let me go ahead and grab the pieces on here. If you want all the measurements for this card, please visit my blog. You'll find there also written instructions. Okay, for this one, you'll see that we have kind of an abnormal card base. It's not very wide or long because we're using it kind of like a spine here. So we have it measured at 5 1/4, and this is measured by 5 1/2. We did go ahead and score it at 4 1/4, so that's like our regular card size. And then it creates this fun looking little bend here. We'll grab our bone folder and get that going right. And then we'll do some stamping here, and then we'll assemble. All right, so this one's from the Something Fancy Dies. I just love that shape, and it happened to fit perfectly with the stamp that I wanted to use. It says, "To the Birthday Queen." So let me go ahead and grab my foam mat in here. We'll set that right there. And the color of ink that I am wanting today will be the Pretty Peacock. That's one of my all-time favorites. It's a comeback color that just came back with a new annual catalog after it had been retired because it was just an ink color, and now it's part of the core colors from Stampin' Up. All right, I haven't stamped with one for a little bit, so let me grab my Post-it note so I can do a quick practice. Make sure that it has nice, clean stamp to it. I mean, you can look at it and you can kind of tell if it's clean, but the best way to know is just to stamp with it. That turned out pretty nice. Let me ink this up. Try to go center on my lemon lime twist. Oh, and I can tell that I did not get my ink very well on that birthday. So I'm gonna go back over on it, and now I can see that looks a lot better. Go right about there and press down and lift up. Awesome, that one turned out great. I'm going to keep my peacock there and not move that too far because I still need to do some more stamping here. But I do need to stamp a greeting on the inside of this one as well. And for the inside, I have the saying, "You were born to be fabulous, not perfect." Ooh, I should grab that. I had a friend who made me a really cute notebook that used the saying, but she took off the not perfect. She said, "You were born to be fabulous, period. Nothing else after that." Cute. I'll find that just before we're done too, so I can show you that cute thing that she made. All right, that's those two stampings with this color. Let's go ahead and grab a new ink color in, which is that lemon lime twist. Another in color that came back. You can kind of see mine's an old stamp case, still works great. I haven't needed to get a new one yet, but if you don't have that color, then definitely buy it and you'll get it looking like this case instead. Add it to your must-get list. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, we'll put this guy here because I need to do a couple of things. I want to do some stamping off, and I'm gonna have it going around this guy here. We're just gonna use some Post-it notes to help me today. Keep our grid sheet clean. I know, usually once my grid sheet gets dirty, I'm crazy and let it go crazy as well, but until it's dirty, I want to keep it clean as possible. Silly, I know. All right, now we're gonna grab our fun tiara. So there's two tiara shapes in this one. One is a little bit larger, and we're using the smaller of the two. I'm gonna create this really cool background on this guy using the tiara. But we don't want it to be so strong that you see a lot of it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and ink it up, stamp it off, and then bring it over to our label and ink on there, stamp on there. Let me get closer so you can see. You could leave it like that if you want, or you can go around all four sides. I went ahead and went all four sides for my first one, so we'll do that again. So again, stamp off, line it up over here, and stamp on. So even just two sides looks really nice, and I could leave it at that if I wanted, but we're going to keep on going. Again, stamp off, and then fill in that spot there. Stamp off. I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to go right about here. Awesome. This tiara actually kind of looks like a peacock feathers to me, like the inner circle parts of it, which are also one of my favorites. And it should look something like that by the time you're done. Just super fun. And that extra background, people are like, where did you find that? And you're like, it's the tiara. All right, let's go ahead and now do some assembling. So we have some pieces of designer series paper, and we're going to use those right here. Grab our liquid glue. We'll do the strip first. This strip is 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/4. Flip it and stick it. Try to create border on all four sides. There we go. All right, there's another strip for the inside. We're gonna wait to do that because we need to do this one first. What we need to do is grab actually our either Stampin' Seal or Stampin' Seal Plus, or your tear tape, either one. It's just nice to have a nice solid straight line. So I'm using my Stampin' Seal for this one, and I'm gonna line it up. So this is a 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm going to line it up on this basic white, this thick basic white base, so where I want it to be, and then I'll close it on there, just like that. Ta-da! And it picks it up where it needs to be. Then for this other part here, you might need a pencil, or you might make sure you can line it up just right. Last time I was kind of not so good and had to do a little bit of trimming, so let me see the best method to do this one with. I might need to use a pencil. Last time I kind of held it right here like that and then closed it after I put glue on. Let's give that a try. We're going to do liquid glue, so if I mess up, I can try to wiggle it a little bit back to where it needs to go. Again, pencil would work too if you want to just mark it on here. Okay. See, that's not looking... Our goal is to not have it showing through. So I'm creating a little bit bigger border here. See, now I need to move this up a little bit like so. And that looks pretty good. We can't see it through the other side. Nice. Okay. Now we just need to attach our To the Birthday Queen. We'll add dimensionals to the back side. For this one, I do at least 3. You could do more in a straight line. And then we need to find our pastel gems and do some embellishing. Okay. Oh, don't forget to order from my online store. That's my online store. You could also go to StampinUp.com and looking me up as a demonstrator, I'm in California. My name is spelled with an extra A, so if you're looking for me, make sure you add the extra A. My mom was extra special, and she named me and gave me that extra one, which has become a little bit more popular now, so that's kind of fun. All right, so these are called the pastel, well actually, they're called iridescent pastel gems. They are beautiful, great shine to them, has 3 different colors. I actually use that kind of more of a coral color. I'm going to switch it up, and I'm going to go with this blue color this time. I'm going to add one down here below our queen, and then I'm going to do 2 more at an angle above our label here. I like that, just to give us some extra shine. Oh, look at that sparkle. So pretty. And that is it. This pretty awesome fan fold looks super fancy, even though it's fairly easy. You can mass produce this fairly quickly, especially if you use a punch instead of a die, but you could use this with any type of stamp set. Let me grab that fun notebook I had made for me real quick. Okay, so you can see what this was a gift from my friend Brandy, and he embossed that awesome tiara here. That is, I think, the larger one. Yes, that's a larger one. And then you can see where she says born to be fabulous. She totally got rid of the not perfect though. You're born to be fabulous, not perfect. She's like, nope, you're just born to be fabulous. I love that she puts this little extra ribbon right here on this notepad, and she's added some bling, and then it has a personal message in the inside. Love this. Great idea, and I love it with that gold heat emboss there for that beautiful tiara. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you've had fun learning how to make this fun fold, and give it a try. Again, comment away. One lucky person will win today's card. Have a great Labor Day weekend, and happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.